Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about the audio, that how you can record your voiceover and how you can add the music in your video. And now we are going to move some other options. So as you can see, here's another option for the background. You have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you have to select the background design. If you want the background like this one, it's up to you. For example, I want this one. And after that, here's an option for the color. If you want to change the color, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to select this color, and now simply you have to right click on this, and as you can see, now I'm going to click on this, and the background will be changed in this way. So in this way you can manage your background. And after that, we have another option for the default describe head. You have to click on this. If you want to change the hand, you can also do that. If you want to make the no hand, you have to click on this, and the things will be drawn automatically. It's up to you. If you are going to select this one, you can choose that. And after that, you have some other options as well. If you want to select like this one, you can also do that. So you have the different hands and the different pens and roys and all the things that provided here. If you want to use them, you can also use these things as well. And after that, so I'm going to cut this one. So in this way you can change your background properties, and you can change the hand in VideoScribe. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.